Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Montech the Sky 2 high airflow cases. So friend, the Montech announces the Sky 2, a mainstream mid-tower case that showcases your PC components with the front and side tempered glass panels, and the latest addition to the Sky series with a unique airflow configuration featuring the fine mesh bottom front panel and side panel, 3 pre-installed RX120 reverse 120 ARGB and PWM fans at the side and bottom, and pre-installed AX120 ARGB and PWM fan at the rear. And friend, the Sky 2 is compatible with motherboard from Mini-ITX to E-ATX, supports top mounting of up to 360 radiators and fans, and features top I/O including USB Gen 2 Type-C port. And the Sky 2 is available in black at the price of $99.99 Pristine Front White color at a price of $105.99 and Morocco Blue color at the price of $119.99. And friend, it offers unique airflow approach with a lower portion of the front and left side design with the fine mesh optimized for airflow and dust filtration. And this concept ensures plenty of air is pushed through the PSU shroud and pad into the fans above it, providing a direct supply of fresh air to the GPU. And in addition, the 3 pre-installed RX120 120 ARGB PWM fans features reverse blade design, which allows them to be installed as they intact with their best side visible. And in additional, 120 fans are pre-installed at the rear of the case, create balance out of the box thermal solution. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.